Good morning, students, and welcome back to your English class. Do you remember last week we did a story, The Ostrich and the Hedgehog? In that story, the hedgehog and ostrich had a race which the hedgehog won due to his cleverness. I gave you some question answers which were framed within chapter and your response was too good. Today we will discuss the WAC exercises of the chapter. So our first exercise is D3. On the basis of your reading the story, complete the following statements. First one is, one beautiful morning, a hedgehog met an ostrich. Second is, the ostrich did not greet the hedgehog because he did not want to talk to stumpy-legged creature. Third is, it was decided to run the race at midday because the hedgehog wanted to take breakfast. Actually, he wanted some time to make a plan for the race. D is, every time the ostrich reached the end of the barley row, he found a hedgehog. Next one is, the hedgehogs at the end of the barley row were actually the original hedgehog's relatives. Then the last hedgehog was fresh and smiling because he did not run at all. The last one is, on the other hand, the ostrich was tired and had sore feet because he ran all the way. Next exercise is D4. The story brings out different characteristics of the ostrich and the hedgehog. Draw lines to match their qualities. There are the pictures of ostrich and hedgehog, and some of the qualities are given which you have to tell to which character, ostrich or hedgehog, they suit. First is proud. Proud is here ostrich, as ostrich was very proud of his long legs. He was very proud that he can run very fast. Second one is foolish, as foolish is here again ostrich, as he was not able to differentiate between original hedgehog and his relatives, and due to his foolishness he was defeated by hedgehog. Next quality is clever. Clever, who was clever? Yes, clever was hedgehog, as he used his brain and made a plan to win the race. Next is fast. Here ostrich was fast as he had long legs and he could run very fast. Next is cheerful. Cheerful, hedgehog was cheerful, as you know, in the beginning of the story he wished good morning to ostrich in a cheerful voice. And last one is sulky. Sulky means one who is not happy, and sulky is here ostrich. Why ostrich is sulky? As you know, ostrich was sulky because he did not even want to talk to hedgehog. He was not in a good mood that day. Next in the same exercise, write below the qualities along with sentences from the text that prove that the hedgehog and the ostrich possesses these qualities. So here columns are there, ostrich and hedgehog. You have to write any two qualities of ostrich and any two qualities of hedgehog, and you have to give the lines from the text to prove those qualities. Next is D5. Find the words from the story which mean the same as the following. So here there are the word meanings, and I know that you can do all these word meanings yourself. Try to do, and then we will discuss them later on. And next is D6. Use the above words to fill in the blanks. You have to use the words which you wrote, which you did in D5. You have to write these words, use these words to fill in the blanks in D6. This again you will do yourself, and we will discuss them later on. Next is D7. Imagine that you are the hedgehog. In a short paragraph, describe how you fooled the ostrich. Here you have to imagine that you are the hedgehog, and you have to tell in your own words how you planned to befool the ostrich and how you won the race. This again you will do yourself. This was all from this chapter, and I am sure you will try to do all these things, and you can do all these things. Bye bye students, and we will discuss all these things later on if you will not be able to do them. Bye. Take care. Have a good day.